high quality services. And because of that, we have got partnered with leading companies like Tata, Havells, Reliance, L&T, Hyundai, Honda, Wipro, Maruti, and many more. Guys, they trust on us just because of the expertise, just because of the high quality services they trust on us. Now, one of the biggest achievement for the native engineering, guys, we are expanding out of country. Yes, we are having the physical presence in India and USA. Yes, guys, our IT team operates from both the countries, from India and USA. So, yes, it was all about the major achievement for the company. Now, let me change the slide and let me tell you about the certifications and the associations. So, first of all, Native Engineering is an ISO certified company, and because of the high quality services, we are an ISO certified company. And because of that, we have got registrations on multiple government bodies like MSME, Ministry of Commerce and the Industry, and the major one, Ministry of Corporate Affairs. In short, MCA, where all the big MNCs and big organizations are registered. And now we are also registered on MCA, which is Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Now, let's talk about the major association. So basically, guys, Wipro is now our credential platform partner. I repeat, Wipro is now associated with us as a credential platform partner. I don't think Wipro requires any sort of introduction. We all are completely aware with this big chain, with this big MNC, and now they are associated with us as a credential platform partner. It was all about the very short and brief introduction of the company. Now, before moving ahead and before explaining you the job details, one thing I want to mention, guys. So this session gonna be the interactive session where I will be putting some queries in front of you, and I will be looking forward for your answers as well. I will be putting some questions in front of you. And so there will be some activities within the session. So please be very, very attentive. Whenever required, I'll be putting that. So I'm gonna share the screen again. Just allow me a moment. So basically, guys, the profile we are offering, that is for our data analyst, and for this particular profile, freshers are eligible. Second, those who are still in college or just pass out, they can also apply. Third, those who are working with some different domain and planning to build a career as a data analyst, they can also apply. And at last, if someone is having a break or gap in their career, and because of that they are unable to find any suitable job opportunity, they can also apply for this. I repeat, for this profile, first of all, freshers are eligible. Second, those who are still in college or just pass out, they can also apply. Third, those who are working with some different domain and planning to come back in their planning to build a career as a data analyst, they can also apply. And at last, if someone is having a break or gap in their career, so because of that, they are unable to find any suitable job opportunity, so they can also apply for this. So I believe that I'm clear with this point. For the work location, we are having two options. Either you can go with work from home or you can choose the preferred location. For the salary, the average package range is 5 LPA to 8 LPA, guys. As per the company standard, best packages will be provided to you. Along with the packages, and number of company benefits are also there. So in the coming slide, I'm going to mention for the eligibility. So we don't have any educational barrier, any undergraduate, any postgraduate. If you are pursuing just pass out, simply if you are looking to build a career in data analyst, you can completely apply. There are some required skill sets also like SQL, Microsoft Excel, Power BI, Tableau, along with the real-time live industry-based projects. So these are some necessary job details, guys. Now let me tell you about the benefits and the facilities which are associated. So these are the major benefits. Apart from these, many more benefits are there like work flexibility, laptop, internet, bonuses, medical insurance, and many more. And number of company benefits are there, but the major one I have mentioned over here. So yes, it was all about the necessary job details and the benefits which are associated. Now, let's talk about the mandatory eligibility criteria for getting a job opportunity as an data analyst. So, guys, internship with native engineering is one of the mandatory eligibility criteria for getting a job opportunity as an data analyst. Now, the question which might be coming in your mind, the reason behind associating the internship and why we have made it mandatory. So, basically, guys, do not worry. Today in this session, I'm gonna tell you the reason behind making the internship mandatory and why we have associated with the job profile. But before telling you that, before telling you more details of the internship as well as the job, I just want to tell you the I just want to share some of the challenges and the problems in front of you that according to me we people are facing while looking for a job. Why I want to discuss the challenges, because just now I have mentioned, guys, internship is mandatory. So after knowing current hiring challenges, we will be getting more clarity behind making the internship mandatory. So with this, I'm having a very good question in my mind. So please listen the question very carefully, and I'm just looking forward for your answers as well. My question is, how many of you think that after having a good CGPA, good percentage, or a good academic background, still most of us are struggling to get a good job? If you think like that, please write yes in the chat box. How many of you think that after having a good CGPA, good percentage, and a good academic background, still most of us are struggling to get a good job? If you think like that, please write yes in the chat box. Thank you so much, guys. Those who are responding in the chat, thank you so much. So, after receiving the responses, I can say today's audience is fully interactive with this session, as the responses I'm getting, they are so amazing. And along with the answer of my question, people have mentioned the reasons also. It seems today's audience is fully aware with the current scenario. That's quite amazing. And if I talk about the answer of my question, so more than 90% responses are positive, which means people are suffering with the same and similar kind of issues. So I just want to address some of the reasons that people have mentioned. Krishnakant, I completely agree with your point. Aditi, Prabhat, Shambhu, Shiva Krishna, Ashish, Sai Krishna, Shiva Reddy, Vanitha, Joseph, Aarti, Ramya Shri, Lakshmi Prasanna, Shivansh. I completely agree with you. Arjun, Shivalli, Aditi, yes, I completely agree with you. Ritika, you have a good CGPA. Aditi, you have a very good percentage. Aman, Prabhat, I completely agree with you. Ranjan, Umesh, Shreya, Shubhankar, yes, I agree with you. Sunil, yes, this could be the reason. Srishti, Ajay, Prabhat, you have a very good CGPA. Aman, you have a very good CGPA. Ankur, Manoj, Shubhankar. Guys, so many people have mentioned the reasons, and very sorry, it's not possible to address all of them. But as I can have a look, so I can easily say that you know the reason, and I also know the reason. Let us discuss together, and let me tell you how we can cope up with that particular situation. Uh, all right. So, guys, these are the challenges that, according to me, we people are facing while looking for a job. So, I'm not saying these are the only challenges, by the way, but according to me, these are the major challenges that we people are facing nowadays. And I also believe that after knowing these challenges in detail, you will be able to correlate with my point of view. Yes, somehow we are struggling with the same and similar kind of issues. So one of the biggest challenges, highly competitive job market. See, the demand of a data analyst is growing day by day. Almost every industry like food, finance, manufacturing, engineering, education, all the industries are looking for a data analyst. So as the demand is growing, number of applicants are also growing, but at some point the demand is limited, but the number of applicants are growing day by day. And that is the reason, guys, there is a huge crowd in the job market of the data analyst. So if you want to stand out your profile among this highly competitive job market, so you need to have a strong differentiator in your portfolio. So yes, highly competitive job market is one of the biggest issue according to me. Another issue is skill gaps or a skill mismatch. Basically, guys, nowadays company wants you need to have a fundamental clarity on that particular domain in which you are looking for a job. If you are completely new or blank for that particular domain, again this gonna be very difficult for you to get entered into the organization. So right skill set at a right time, it's very important. So skill gaps or a skill mismatch is the another biggest issue. Another one is lack of practical experience, and so many people have mentioned about it. So let me tell you guys, it's in harsh reality, but yes, it's true. Nowadays, just with the help of theoretical or a bookish knowledge, this gonna be very difficult to get a good job with the handsome package. Companies are looking for a ready-made type of talent. I'm not saying theoretical knowledge is not worth it. It is worth it. It is required also, but it is not at all sufficient nowadays. And this is not at all your mistake. It is just a predefined educational system that colleges are following. Nowadays, colleges, more than 90% colleges are majorly focusing on completing their syllabus rather than telling you how you can utilize your theoretical knowledge into a practical application. So, yes, lack of practical exposure is another biggest issue. And the last one, unstructured learning without any sort of guidance. Guys, nowadays, many candidates take some free online courses, and after watching some YouTube videos, they think they can become a data analyst. But guys, this doesn't work like that. Without any sort of proper guidance or a mentorship, knowledge can never be complete. If you want to learn something, gain something, always choose a right path which will lead you to the right direction. So with this, these are the challenges according to me, guys, that we people are facing nowadays. And after knowing these challenges, you will be also able to get more clarity. Yes, somehow we are struggling with the same and similar kind of issues. So yes, these are the challenges, but do not worry, I'm gonna tell you one by one how you can cope up with that particular challenges. Now with this, in the coming slide, I'm having a very good example for you. With that example, you will be getting more clarity, the reason behind making the internship mandatory. And along with the example, I'm also having a very good question in my mind. So please understand the example first. So this is a resume of a person, Rohit, and this was his resume before doing the internship with us. Yes, this was his resume before doing the internship with us. Take a time of 10 to 15 seconds and look at his resume thoroughly. Take a time of 10 to 15 seconds. I believe that you guys have seen this resume. Now let me change the slide. And this is a resume two of a same person, Rohit. And this is his resume after doing the internship. Take a time of 10 to 15 seconds and look at his resume thoroughly. So I believe that you guys have seen both the resumes. Now my question is, suppose you are an HR and you are a recruiter and you want to hire Rohit, which resume you will choose for his shortlisting? Resume one or two? Which resume you will choose as per your understanding? You can mention. Whatever you feel like, you guys can mention. Thank you so much, guys. Those who are responding in the chat, thank you so much. So, this time, again, after receiving the responses, I must say, usually audiences are not at all much interactive, but today's audience is bang on, fully interactive with this session. As the responses I'm getting, they are so amazing. Again, along with the answer of my question, people have written down the reasons also. It seems today's audience is fully aware with this session. And if I talk about the answer of my question, so yes, more than 90% responses are very obvious. That is the resume too. So now so I just want to address some of the reasons that people have mentioned. Samay, Nikhil, Archie, Shravani, Shiva Krishna, I agree with your point. Poonam, Ashish, Shivam, Aneet, Shreya, Anish, Aniket, Mahesh, I agree with your point. Shubhankar, Amit, Anuradha, Abhishek, Sai Krishna, I completely agree with your point. Daksh, Navya Shri, Kavya Shri, Ankur, Guys, again, so many people have mentioned. Poonam, yes, I completely agree with you. Rajat, yes, this could be the reason. So again, so many people have mentioned the reasons, and very sorry, it's not possible to address all of them again. But as I can have a look, so it's clearly indicates you guys have completely get it right. So I just want to make it more clear for you. So this is the resume one. If you see this resume looks this resume looks incomplete, unprofessional, unorganized, unstructured. Overall, the resume is not at all appropriate as per the current job requirement. There is no highlighting and the impactful section in his resume, which will make his profile stand out among this highly competitive job market. So, overall, the resume is not at all appropriate as per the current job need. Now, if I talk about the resume too, see, I'm not saying this is the best resume for the industry, but yes, it is a kind of a ideal resume for the industry where all the details are given in a quite precise and a subtle manner. After seeing this resume, anybody can understand what kind of person he is and what kind of a skill set he has. And the most highlighting and the impactful in his impactful section in his resume, that is his work experience and the projects he has done. Guys, try to understand, after adding this much of section, the profile is gonna be stand out among this highly competitive job market. See, I am not here to tell you about the resume writing. I just want to tell you the importance of the details that you're gonna mention in your resume. If the resume will look like this, resume one, sure, you won't be able to get a single call, but if the resume is like resume 2, surely you will be getting a call from the team. So now you guys can easily understand how much our industry and a prior practical exposure is needed nowadays before entering into the organization. And I also believe that you can get in clarity the reason behind making the internship mandatory and why we have associated with the job profile, because with the help of internship you will be provided all the necessary practical skill sets which are actually needed in the corporate. So yes, it was all about the necessary details that I want to give you. Now, before telling you more details of the internship as well as the job, I just want to mention some another necessary details regarding the internship in front of you. So basically, guys, the internship that we have associated with the job profile and we have made it mandatory, that particular internship is a fees based internship. Now, the question which might be coming in your mind, the reason behind making it fees based and why the fees is involved in it. So let me tell you guys. First of all, this is not a simple training program. This is not a certification. This is not a certification course. It's a real time live internship where you will be getting the opportunity to work under the team of professionals. Our team of professionals are going to teach you, guide you, and they are gonna invest in front of in they are gonna invest upon you people, guys, and that is the only reason fees is involved with the internship. I repeat, as our team of professionals are going to invest upon you people, guys, that is the only reason fees is involved. But do not worry, today we are having the huge discounts, huge offers, EMIs, installments, all the facilities and opportunities are there one by one. I'm gonna mention each and everything. A lot more internship and a job details I'm gonna mention in the coming slide. So please be very, very attentive. One by one, I'm gonna explain each and everything. Another thing, those who are not ready, suppose for this kind of program, and those who don't want to be the part of this session, if they want, they can leave the session from here onwards. We don't have any sort of issues. Those who are supposed not ready with such kind of program and don't want to be the part of this session, if they want, they can leave it. We don't have any sort of issues. It's totally based on their choice. It's totally up to you guys. So yes, It was all about the necessary details and updates that I want to give you. So allow me a moment, guys, and let us begin with the exclusive internship job and a more fees details. Just give me a moment. So basically, it is an 45 days of internship program in which the job opportunity as a data analyst is associated. This program is completely work from home, remote, online. You can do it from anywhere. Timings are also completely flexible as per your availability, comfort zone. Multiple timing slots will be given. And for the eligibility, any undergraduates and postgraduates can apply for this. If you are pursuing just pass out, having a career gap, is still in college or working somewhere and planning to build a career in data analyst, you guys all are eligible. So now let me change the side and let me tell you what kind of learning opportunity you will be provided over here and how a team of professionals are going to teach you. So those who are going to enroll here, they will be getting the opportunity to work on actual projects that reflect current industry scenario. Here you will be getting the opportunity to work on a real time and a live projects, and the hands-on experience you will be getting here that will make you understand how the tasks are handled in a real world setting. One of the major issue and the challenge that we are going to resolve it over here. If you remember that, guys, I have told you earlier regarding the one of the major challenges. So here you will be getting the opportunity to learn how you can utilize and convert your theoretical knowledge into a practical application. Apart from that, here you are going to here you are going to get an opportunity to work on real-time core and a job-oriented projects of the company. So the projects that we are going to teach you and provide you, they are not at all your job, they are not at all your college level projects. That projects are directly aligned with the job requirement. Whatever needed in the job, same and similar learnings will be provided to you. Apart from that, you will be also having a full involvement in the project execution from initial planning and design till just allow me a moment. Just give me a moment, guys. So, Sorry for the interruption. So basically, guys, here you will be having a full involvement in the project execution from initial planning and design till the implementation and delivery. You will be the part of each and every stage from initial planning and design till the implementation and delivery. You will be the part of each and every stage as you are going to work under the team of professionals. So you will be getting the learning similar like an employee over here. You will be also getting the opportunity to collaborate with the industry professionals who bring real world insights to the table. There are few things about the internship that I want to mention. This is not a This is not a training program. This is not a certification. This is not a course. It's a real time live internship where you will be getting the opportunity to work under the team of professionals, where you will be getting the opportunity to learn all the skill sets which are needed in the job. And the main motive of the program is to give you the technical knowledge as per the job requirement along with a direct job opportunity. Apart from that, those who are fresh or new for the industry, not having a sufficient knowledge or having a zero level of knowledge, do not worry. Everything we are going to guide you, teach you from the basics, from the zero level, from the scratch, so that each and every person can learn and understand each and everything, and they can also clear your fundamentals as well. So, yes, it was all about the work culture and the learning scenario that you will be provided over here. Now let me change the slide and let me tell you the benefits which are associated. So one of the biggest benefit is real-time project exposure. This is one of the major benefit that you will be provided over here, guys. Apart from that, you will be also provided the learnings on resume building, how to build a job winning resume, along with the complete guidance on the interview preparation, like how to give interviews, how to behave confident, some tips and tricks to crack the interviews. Everything will be guided to you. We are also having our exclusive job portal, which is an AI based job portal. As an additional benefit, you will be getting the access of that. So these are the major benefits that you will be provided along with the 45 days of internship. Now let me change the slide and let me tell you about the certificates. Two types of certificates: internship experience and a project completion certificate. Both are industry oriented and are well recognized certificates. Now let me tell you one of the biggest benefit associated with the certificates. If you remember that, guys, I have mentioned Wipro is now our credential platform partner. So the certificates you will be provided from our end, that you will be provided in association with Wipro. I repeat, the certificates you will be getting from our end, that you will be provided in association with Wipro. Guys, your certificates are already valuable, industry oriented and impactful, but after adding the association of Wipro, it will become more valuable, more industry oriented, and more impactful. So yes, guys, these are the major benefit that you will be provided via our association of Wipro. This is the major benefit that you will be provided via our association of Wipro. So yes, it was all about the certificates that you will be provided. Now let me change the slide and let me tell you what kind of job opportunity you will be provided over here and what actually you will be having in your hand after the completion of your 45 days of internship. So you will be provided direct PPO, which is the pre-placement offer, full-time permanent direct work opportunity with Native Engineering, one of the easiest way to get placed. Along with the additional benefit is guaranteed job assistance to apply in 100 plus companies. I repeat, PPO, pre-placement offer, full-time permanent direct work opportunity with Native Engineering, one of the easiest way to get placed, along with the guaranteed job assistance to apply in 100 plus companies. So now you guys are having the job opportunities in bulk. You just need to follow the guidelines of our team and you are able to get the job very, very easily. With this, it is all about the program key highlights in which the 100% job opportunities are associated. Now, I believe that you guys are eagerly waiting to know more about the fee structure. But before that, I just want to show you the testimonials and the feedbacks of the learners, of the placed learners. You should know how easily and simply they are getting a placement with or through us. These things we have updated on our website. Very quickly, I'm going to share the screen for our website. So just give me a moment. All right. So this is our official website, nativeengineeringsolutions.com. There is a review page. Simply visit this site and page, and you can read out multiple feedbacks, and the testimonials are there about the company, work culture, salary, internship, career growth, job. Everything is given over there. Multiple feedbacks and the testimonials are there. Here are some more happy feedbacks like the video testimonials of the learners, of the placed learners. Multiple videos are there. You may visit the website and watch it. Like Shikha got the placement with Bajaj Electrical. Sai got the placement with Native Engineering itself. Mekha also got the placement. Mohit is also working with us. So yes, guys, multiple profiles are there. You may visit the website and you may watch it. You will get every details. Here are some more happy feedbacks of the learners, of the placed learners. You may visit the website and read out. And here are the details of the placed students. Placed students, as in they have joined the program and they have got the placement. Multiple profiles are there. I'm just scrolling down for you. As much as possible, we have mentioned. And these are some top hiring companies. We have mentioned the name of few companies. Apart from these, many more organizations are there, but the major one I have mentioned over here. So now you guys can get in clarity what kind of program it is and how this is gonna be helpful for you. And with the help of this particular program, how easily and simply you can get the job opportunity. So now back to the slides again. And this is the time for telling about the fee structure. So as I have told you, today we are having the huge discounts and the offers as well, just to make it more affordable. So first of all, I'll be telling you the original fee, and after that I'll be mentioning about the offered fee. So the original fee of the program was around 19,999, but you need not to pay this amount as an offer. And just to make it more affordable, we are offering with just 7,999, and the 7,999 offer is only valid till today 3 p.m. After 3 p.m. you won't be able to avail same offer with the same price limit. After enrolling, within a second, enrollment confirmation email will be sent on your registered email ID, and within 2 to 3 working days you will start learnings on your project. Guys, offers are valid for a limited time period only, because we are having a limited seats availability as per the opportunity. So please finalize the things accordingly and enroll yourself. Now, as I have mentioned, we are having a installment facility, and as well as we are having a EMI facility for you. So let me show you one by one. All right, just give me a moment, guys. I'm going to show you how you can complete your enrollment, how you can pay this 7,999 in two installment. Let me show you. So if you want to pay 7,999 in two installments, so here is the structure. You just need to pay 1,999 as a first installment today before 3 p.m. so that you can book the seat, and remaining amount can be paid within 4 days. I repeat, if you want to pay in two installment, You just need to pay 1,999 as a first installment today before 3 p.m. So that you can book the seat, and remaining can be paid within 4 days. So now I just want to share the payment links for you. So first of all, I'm gonna share it for a 7,999, which is the offered fee for the internship. And if you are looking to pay 7,999 with two installment, so I'm sharing a link for a first installment also, that is of 1,999. I repeat, the offered fee is 7,999, so I have shared the link for that. And if you are looking to enroll with two installments, so the first installment link of 1,999 also I have shared for you. So both the links I have shared, accordingly you can enroll yourself, guys. So it was all about the payment method and the payment structure. Now we have created a platform in our website also. Through the website, you can also enroll yourself, and let me show you how it works. Again, you need to visit the site, and this time you need to reach the footer part, like the bottommost part of the website. Now you guys can see pay now button. Click over there. And you can simply say, it's in such a simple payment page. Let me show you, let me demonstrate how you can enroll yourself with this option. I know you guys are having a lot of queries, but please have patience. Let me just finish this explanation, and after that I will be just starting the Q&A. I'll be resolving your doubts only. Just give me a moment. So yes, this is such a simple procedure where you need to enter all your basic details in a correct and a precise manner. Your full name, email ID, 10 digits of phone number, and the amount. Amount can be 7,999 directly, but as I'm giving you the example, so I have entered any amount. Your full name, email ID, 10 digits of phone number, and the amount. Every detail should be in a correct manner, and click on this pay button. And now you guys can see multiple payment options are there. You can pay UPI via Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, debit card, credit cards, EMI, net banking, QR codes. All the options are available. Any of the options you can opt for yourself. So I just want to summarize the payment method and the payment structure one more and a last time for you. So we have a job opportunity as a data analyst, and as per the industry and a job criteria, internship with the native engineering is one of the mandatory eligibility criteria. The internship that we have associated with the job profile as per the industry and a job criteria, that particular internship is a fees based internship. So the original fee of the program was around 19,999, but as an offer, just to make it more affordable for you, we are offering with just 7,999. The 7,999 offer is only valid till today 3 p.m. So please finalize the things accordingly. Enroll yourself. 7,999 can be paid in two installment also. 1,999 as a first installment today before 3 p.m. so that you can book the seat, and the remaining amount can be paid within 4 days. Payment links and all I have shared in the chat, else you can pay via website. And we have a website, nativeengineeringsolutions.com. In the bottom of the website, you will get a pay now button. Simply click over there, and after clicking on that, you will get a such a simple payment page where you need to enter all the basic details like full name, email, 10 digit of phone number, and the amount. Every informations are given in a, you need to mention in a correct manner, and click on this pay button. So now you guys can see multiple payment options: UPI via Phone Pay, Google Pay, Paytm, debit card, credit cards, EMI, net banking, QR codes. All the options are available. Any of the options you can opt for yourself. So yes, it was all about the payment method, payment structure, and the payment methods. And I believe that I'm clear with it. And yet, it was all about the program key highlights in which the 100% job opportunities are associated. Now, this is the time for the Q&A. Please prepare your questions and put it down in the chat or in a Q&A. I will be answering those questions which are possible to answer within the session. If not, then we have a call facility for you guys. And if you want to connect with the team on call and want to clarify your query, so you need to call the team after this session only, because there are few more things which I want to tell you one by one. So if you want to connect with the team on call and want to clarify on call, so you need to wait till the end of the session. So I'm just sharing the contact number in front of you. After this session, you may connect. So now I am receiving the queries, and yes, multiple doubts are there. So please have patience. One by one, I'll be picking the doubts and answer it. So please wait for your turn. Okay. Pankaj, it's in 45 days of internship. Jay Shinde, the average package range is 5 to 8 LPA. Kuntal, no, we don't have such option. Prem, please raise your query. Arpan, it's in fees-based internship. Shubham, connect with the team on call after this session. Ashish, while doing the enrollment in the number section, you have to enter your contact number, your contact details, your full name, email ID, your contact number. Prem, yes, 100%. You just need to complete your 45 days of internship for it. Gunal, actually, multiple timing slots will be given as per your availability. It can be managed. So I suggest you connect with the team on call after this session, and you will be getting more clarity about it. Prem, as you can see over the screen, I'm already showing a contact number over the screen. After this session, you may connect with the team on call for more clarity. Aditi, you are eligible. Amisha, you are also eligible. Saksham, yes, you are eligible. Srihari, from tomorrow onwards, joining procedure will get started. And within 2 to 3 working days, we will start learnings on your project. Vasant, yes, 100%. Shreya Thakur, yes, 100%. Saj Sheikh, no, we don't have such option. Ishwar Raj, definitely you can refer. Gopi, yes, after the internship, 100%. Vishwa Arul Kumar, it's in 45 days of internship. Prem, job can be in work from home and work from office, both are available. Sinchana, after the internship certificates, obviously. Jai Shinde, you are completely eligible. There is no percentage criteria. Suma, no, we don't have such requirement. Ankur, yes, connect with the team on call after this session. No, Srinidhi, we have a selected seats. Connect with the team on call after this session. You will be getting more clarity. We have a selected seat, so only selected people can enroll because it's an exclusive program. Once the seats gonna be fulfilled, we will be stopping the enrollments. Congratulations, Sai Krishna, for the enrollment. Congratulations, Abhijit, for the enrollment. Shreya, connect with the team on call after this session. Jay, you are eligible. Gopi, it's a real-time live internship, which is online work from home. Sinchana, no, it will be a direct one. Shubham, right now the job opportunity we are having in which internship with this is compulsory. Srihari, it's Monday to Friday. Congratulations, Ramya Shri, for the enrollment. Congratulations, Shravani. Anish, timings will remain completely flexible. Multiple slots will be given. I suggest you connect with the team on call after this session. Team will guide you. Pooja, no issues if you are having any sort of gap in your career. Do not worry and enroll yourself, and you will be able to get a job like others. Career gaps are completely eligible. Arundhati, if you are already working somewhere, do not worry. We have a much time flexibility. Those who are already working somewhere or college going, I suggest you connect with the team on call after this session. Tell about your work timings, and team will tell you how you can manage both the things parallelly. Multiple slots will be given, so connect with the team will guide you. Umesh, yes, you are eligible. Congratulations, Yogeshwar, for the enrollment. Congratulations, Kavya Shri. Guys, people are enrolling really fast, and we have left with very less number of seats now. So please finalize as soon as possible and enroll yourself. Darshan, yes, you are eligible. No, Vinod, we don't have such option. Ranjit, no, offer deadline cannot be extended because seats are limited. Aditya Shankar, you may refer your friend. Poonam, yes, you are eligible. Anup, yes, you can. Yes, guys, we are having an official application. That app will be the main platform for executing the entire thing. So, yes, you will be getting the access of that. Vinod, connect with the team on call after this session. Manoj, yes, you can. Uma Shankar, thank you so much. Rakhi, it's an online internship only, work from home. Congratulations, Shreya, for the enrollment. Congratulations, Danish, for the enrollment. Guys, people are enrolling really fast. Just go with 1999 to book the seat, and remaining can be paid within 4 days. Now, this is the time for telling you the key highlights in Hindi. While I'm giving you the Hindi explanation, those who have finalized, please book your seat because we have left with very less number of seats now. सो बेसिकली गाइस, ये हमारा 45 डेज का इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम है जिसके थ्रू आपको रियल टाइम लाइव एंड जॉब ओरिएंटेड प्रोजेक्ट्स पे लर्निंग दी जाएगी. एंड एज एन एडिशनल बेनिफिट आपको इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन एंड रेज्यूमे बिल्डिंग पे भी लर्निंग्स दी जाएगी फ्रॉम अवर टीम ऑफ प्रोफेशनल्स. टू टाइप्स ऑफ सर्टिफिकेट्स भी प्रोवाइड किए जाएंगे, इंटर्नशिप एक्सपीरियंस एंड अ प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीशन सर्टिफिकेट इन एसोसिएशन विद विप्रो. ना जो हमारे प्रोग्राम का वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट की हाईलाइट है जिसपे हमारा एंटायर 45 डेज का प्रोग्राम बेस्ड है, लाइक प्री प्लेसमेंट ऑफर, फुल टाइम परमानेंट डायरेक्ट वर्क अपॉर्चुनिटी विद नेटिव इंजीनियरिंग गाइस. एंड उसी के साथ साथ जो एडिशनल बेनिफिट है, गारंटीड जॉब असिस्टेंस टू अप्लाई इन 100+ कंपनीज. सो दीज आर द बेनिफिट्स जो मैंने एंटायर 1 आवर के सेशन में इन डिटेल आपको एक्सप्लेन किए हैं. सो नाउ बैक टू द Q&A. लेट मी चेक द अदर enrollments. Anup, yes, you can. Shreya, you are eligible. Congratulations, Shiva Reddy, for the enrollment, guys. So many seats has been fulfilled now, and we have left with very few seats now. So please finalize as soon as possible and enroll yourself. Okay. Congratulations, Pankaj. Guys, I think I have answered much of the questions. In case the questions are not answered by me, very sorry for the same, because so many questions are there, so it's not possible to address all of them. That is the reason contact number has been given. Now, the offer of 7,999 is only valid till today 3 p.m. So please finalize the things accordingly and enroll yourself. 7,999 can be paid in two installment as well. 1,999 as a first installment today before 3 p.m. so that you can book the seat, and the remaining amount can be paid within 4 days. Payment links and all we have shared in the chat, else you can pay via website. And those who have enrolled, many congratulations. Already enrollment confirmation email has been sent to their registered email ID. Now, as a next step, tomorrow onward, joining procedure will get started. So stay active on your emails as well. And I'm congratulating them in advance, those who are about to enroll and finalized. Welcome to Native Engineering. Very soon we are going to start this amazing journey with you guys. Now this is the time for winding up this session. Thank you so much guys for joining us today. Thank you very much for joining us on time. Now, if you want to may connect with the team on call to know more about the seats availability and just clarify your queries and enroll yourself. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you so much. And once again, congratulations for the enrollment.